What is this? Huh? 2-band slime. Oh, a tray. Where did you get this from? I did not see it earlier. Well, I'll start recording. Let's do the intro. 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone. I'm Asha here. And welcome back to Anusha Priyangani's channel. Today, guys, we're gonna play with slime. Yes, this slime. My friend Lulu, she brought this for me, so yeah. It smells like cream actually, so I think it's made slime. So should we play with it? Yeah. Okay, but before we start, don't forget to subscribe like this so you don't miss any of our videos. Yes. Okay, let's open this. Yesterday night I have touched it. Oh, it smells like cream. Smell. It smells like that blue color. So guys, it's fluffy slime. It's sticky. It smells like cream. Okay, it's so sticky. Wait, let me get it out for you, okay? Wow, is this slime or what? Okay, let's get it all out. Oh no, it's so sticky. I cannot. We are making mac and cheese. We have to play with it to make it slime. It's actually a little bit liquidy. Do not eat slime, okay? Oh, I cannot get it off my hands. Okay, now, get down. Down you go. No, don't do like that, Ren. It will go stick in your hands. I don't know how am I gonna get this. Oh yeah, see, it's getting into slime now. See? You have to mix it. Yes. Sticky situation. Wow, see, mine turned into slime. Smell it. My mom is here. Because she also wants to see. Okay. I know. I have no slime in my hand. Oh wow. It smells like this Nivea cream. My mom is here. I don't know if she likes slime. Ran, do like this, see? It turns into slime. See, Ran, do like this. Take some slime in your hands. Yes, now mix. Yeah, do like that, see? It's turning into slime. You can feel it. Oh yeah, it's getting not sticky now. Ta-da! Woo! Gel. Oh my god. Wait, there's so much inside here. My gosh. Okay, we can clean the jar up, I hope. Ta-da! We're back. Our turtles are back up right now. Because we're in the kitchen, because I knew that the sticky situation will happen. So much here. Oh my gosh. Wait, Ran. Wait. Yeah, take it and mix it. There's so much slime over here. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm wearing gloves. Wow. And then do like this, see? And when it's turned into slime, keep it. Oh no, I don't know. Yeah, keep on doing like this. Keep on mixing. I don't know how did they make this so sticky. Oh wow. Okay, guys. So this is a fluffy slime. It's made out of cream because it smells like cream, nice cream, baby cream, and it's fluffy and it has this. Can you see this? Blue. Oh, it's okay. See, Ren, wait. Let me help you. Let me help you understand what am I talking about. Oh no, someone my dress can. No. Yeah, my dress. Spaghetti. We are making mac and cheese, but the restaurant became a kind of sticky. Whoa, it's a nice slime. Woo. We'll come back when the slime is ready. Okay guys, so we're still having the terrible situation. Yeah. Oh my gosh, how did you get that out? Get out of my slime disaster. It's a mess. Oh my gosh. No, Ran. I cannot make Ran understand. I don't know why. I cannot say. I want to tell him what I'm saying, but I don't know how to say it. Ryan, see? First, let me try. See, Ryan, see? Now do like this. See, mix. Yeah, do like this, Ryan, see? Like me, see? Oh yeah, it's getting off my hands. Yay! See, Ryan, because I'm doing like that, so it's getting off my hands. I only want one hand to be messy. Ta-da! It's getting off my hands. Ryan, you got your full hands. Ta-da!
Oh no! Okay.
Yeah, keep on doing like that. No, do not mix like. Yeah, okay, you do like that, and I'll do like this. This way is easy for me. Yay! We find it was actually so liquid, But when we started
On the
mixing,
hay also.
it's okay. Now let's take the slime. Come on, let's play with it now. Yay! 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 Ooh, oh no, there's so much in the jar. Let me try to get it out. Yay! My palm is only there. My palm is only alive. Ooh, la la la. Okay, there's so much slime on the tray. No, Ren, don't touch the jar. Don't touch the jar. Yes, I can get the slime out. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we have to do so much cleaning up. I wish I didn't do it in this time, because this time it's almost lunchtime anyways. Yay! We'll come back when the slime is even more better. Okay, guys, so we got the slime out of our hands. Mine is a little bit slime, little slime. Also, Ryan has. So now we managed to get the slime on the tray. So now we're gonna do some satisfying sound. Do you wanna listen? Oh yeah, wait, it's not sticky now. Ran, you know how you remember like Casey and Rachel how they did? They did not hold the slime forever. See, only your these fingers. See, look here, look at me. Only these fingers, not your whole hand. Because I got this because I was trying to get the slime out. That's why I used. Yeah, see, only your fingers. See. Okay, let's try to do some satisfaction. Oh no, there's no satisfying sound. This is so fluffy slime. Why did Lulu even thought to bring this? It's from a slime company. Yay! It's finally not sticking anymore. No, I said you not to use your full hands, only your fingers. Okay, guys, let's put the slime down and tell bye to them now. Put this now. No, Ryan. If you're doing that, it'll stick in your hands. Okay. I said no, don't do that. I said see my hand how clean. Okay, guys, put the slime down. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe like this. And we'll see you guys in our gymnastic video. Bye, guys.
Bye.